Hello everyone, my name is Mildred Cardenas. I'm going to invite to you for tour for Program Zoom. It's very useful, anyone can use it. They have at the bottom different icons. They have a space for participants, for their names, for listen your voice on your screen. They have more options right here. You can type here your message and you can send file here. We continue for reactions, for clap your hands or thumb appear right here, for record, for the chat, for share screen. I like it, we can share your desktop, whiteboard, iPhone, iPad by AirPlay, iPhone, iPad by cable. This is the button for share. You can see new share, pause for share, annotations, more options, and we can stop right here for share. We back for the room. We have for invite more people. Yeah, for contacts, for email. We can copy invitation, copy URL. This is the meeting password, the number for the button for invite. And thank you.